Okay, here I am on a street corner, just going to the vending machine, and today's option is, I think that's called Coffee Black Zero, and underneath it, it says, for those who work hard. Again, the can's hot, and let's crack it open and see how it tastes. Okay, so here I am. There's the street corner, and here's my coffee. I don't know if you can see it. It's steaming. Okay, so it's a little less flavoursome than the first one I had, but it's got no sugar or milk in it. I don't know if you can tell, but definitely got just black coffee. It's not bad. It's drinkable, it's warm. Because it's about 2 degrees out there. Cool. Cheers.